Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kat prangot kirang bat kita Jyllakai Kickboxing, jong kani ke Jylla Meghalaya, kinet banyak simenta. Haka Nongïalehkai lekai Kickboxing, kaban salong haka Jylla Haryana, menta usnam arajar kat kendai. Kani ke Lempung ke baki Nongïalehkai nak kani ke Jylla kinet simenta, kedai ke belatip kum ke Wako India National Kickboxing Championship 2019. Kaban long nadu ke kat pra, hadu ke arpoi terik mentau naitung arajar kat kendai, ha Maharshi Dayanan University, Harotak Haryana, kabala pelong da ke Haryana Kickboxing Association. Kakan hon kabala yoru ke jing itu na ke Haryana Olympic Association bat ke Wako India Kickboxing Federation. Haswa begini kirang bat kita Jyllakai ken mi nakani Jylla ban net je menta se kini Lempung ha ke jelang kabala long ha ke khatsan trek menta unaitung araja ke kendai. Layo ban pelong ke jelang kitbok kit ruyang ya kini Jyllakai ha Assembly Hotel Shillong. Bakan top ye ki khan reungot ki sinrang bat arngot ki kenthai. Ki ban sanran lang padi ki way coach ke way ke manager bat way pat udai ban sanran lang ubadai na kakan hon Meghalaya State Kickboxing Association. Kabala pelong ye kini ke jelang ha kini ke sngi. Haka ni Jylla Kickbox ikini khat prangot kinu Jyllakai Kickboxing u executive member jong ka Sales Autonomous District Council u bakhmi yakatnat trade u ba polling do ulalong kongsan jong ka ni Jylla ringkat ka jinon lang kinung kersan jong kini kirang baki Jyllakai bakan top ya ka way ni kinu hikai jong ka skol ba nehu ikong streamlet khar i balong ru kanong aibot jong ka Meghalaya State Kickboxing Association nang ta sa way no kersan jong kinu Jyllakai u Vikas Gupta bat kiwi.
My message to our youngsters here would be to always keep in mind that when you talk of competition, never look upon your rivals in the arena as your competitors. You and your ability to bring out the best in you, that is what competition is all about. Competition should be between who I am and what I can become. The gap between who as a person you are and what you can become, that is the only competition that we have to keep facing in life. And that goes for any profession, not just sports, any profession. Between what Ladi has done so far and what his potential has for him, that is the competition. And the moment you step into the arena, always look at the person who is pitted against you in the fight as someone who will bring out the best in you. Because unless you face competition, you will not be able to channelize your energy and bring out the best that you have in you. So, what education has done today, since most of you are either at the secondary or higher secondary or higher level, what education has done in India is that it has made people it has made the students especially fiercely competitive, but they always look at everyone else in the classroom with either a sense of competitiveness or envy or disdain or even contempt. Why? Because you measure yourself against the others and then you say, he's competing against me. If he gets first in the class, he's going to bring me down. But what I'm saying today, and this I hope should be a message that you will bear in mind for years to come, is to remember that the real competition is within yourself. What you can do as a person, what you can do as a citizen, what you can do as a sports person, and what your potential is. The gap should be as narrow as possible between who you are and what you are capable of becoming. And that is the real meaning of competition. So always think positive. We are here to support you. On my part, although this is my first interaction with you as an association, I've known Meghalaya for several years now, but meeting you and your association here for the first time, I can assure you that as one of the leaders who are belong to the post-Hill State movement generation, I'm here because I'm committed to see that we grow as a state. And the real growth, the real development is not roads and buildings and infrastructure. The real development is the development of the human individuals, the human personality. And each of you has to be an asset to society, an asset to our state.